Let's learn how to make a Chinese New Year kite. This resource includes a list of supplies you will need to complete the activity, along with clear step-by-step instructions to guide you through each stage. There's also a range of printable dragon template heads for you to choose from to help you complete your design. Here's a list of all the supplies you will need to complete this activity. You can pause the video here to go and get your things and press play when you are ready. Step 1. Choose a strip of coloured paper of your choice. Ideally, this should be cut out to around 60 cm long and 8 cm wide. I'm using 2 A4 pieces of paper for this. You may wish to use a ruler to help you measure this out. Step 2. Fold the paper forwards and backwards into small sections to create a zigzag pattern. You can pause the video here to complete these steps and press play when you are ready. Step 3. Decorate your length of paper using gel pens or felt tip pens. You can add any patterns you like to your design. How many different patterns can you think of? You can pause the video here to complete these next steps. Step 4. From the selection included within this resource, choose a dragon head template and decorate it. You may want to consider using coloured pencils to colour this in. Step 5. Carefully cut out your head template and glue or tape it to one end of the paper strip. You can pause the video here to complete these next steps. Step 6. Put your dragon kite aside and cut some lengths of tissue paper or ribbon and use tape or glue to attach them to the end of the paper strip for the kite's tail. You can pause the video here to complete these next steps. Step 7. Use some tape to attach a length of string to the front of your kite. The length of this string is entirely up to you. And there you have it, your very own Chinese New Year kite. All that's left is to take it outside and watch it fly.